To help spread some holiday cheer and raise money for the Salvation Army of Marquette County, a group of us From Local 3 are live from Super One Foods in Negaunee. Hey Brianna, how are things going out there?
With boughs of holly.
Good evening, Rebecca. We so wish you could be here with us right now because we are having a blast. We are outside of Super One in Negaunee and we are singing carols, ringing the bells. Even Fido the news hound showed up for us tonight. Here at all for the help of Salvation Army. And so I also have Tony Stagliano here, who is the station operations manager for Local 3. So Tony, we seem to go bell ringing for the Salvation Army every year now. It seems to be a kind of a holiday tradition for us. So what is your favorite part of doing this every year?
I think my favorite part of doing this every year is seeing the smiles on people's faces. And you know, when we come out here, and we're not very good, we're terrible. We're just average people out here singing, but we have a lot of fun, and we're drawing attention to the Red Kettle campaign for the Salvation Army, and so my favorite part is, you know, people see us, they smile, and they reach in and they put something in, and you know, I think, you know, that's the whole spirit of all of it is just to, you know, spread the joy.
Yeah, spirit of giving, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Absolutely. And so would you encourage other people in the UP to kind of, you know, get involved in the Red Kettle campaign in their communities?
Well, absolutely. And the Red Kettle campaign by the Salvation Army right now really is in need of volunteers to help ring the bells, and obviously they're always in need of donations. So right now it's the Christmas time of year, and that's when you know, we're out in the stores and we're shopping, and right now is the season of giving as well. So please, you know, when you pass by the kettle, please drop in a few bucks.
All right, well, thank you so much, Tony. Get over there and sing.
All right.
All right, and if you're interested in singing in your local community or ringing the bells, go on over to registertoring.com. All fun, stay local. All right, Rebecca, I got to get over there and sing with the crew here, but I'm going to send it back to you in the studio. Reporting live in Negaunee, Brianna McLean, Local 3 News.